Peek inside a fairy tale. I have 5. They have these beautiful laser cut pages and some flaps, and they retell all of our favorite fairy tale stories. Ooh, I just love these. I bought these for me. These are not even my child's books, they're mine. They retail for $14.99. There's Cinderella. Here is Sleeping Beauty. This one is just gorgeous. I love that you can peek through all the pages at the next page, and there's all these hidden things under the flaps. Just little rose cutouts. They're just so beautifully made and well thought out. And obviously they're very, very visually stimulating. And they're simple, short stories. And then Beauty and the Beast. I love this illustrator. Woo! Excuse me. There's the Beast. He's not as scary and ominous as some of them are in some versions. He turns into a beautiful, handsome prince. Lorena Alvarez. Yep. Girl, you know what's up. So, so beautiful. And Snow White, I think, is one of my favorites, just because she looks a little bit different. She looks kind of more average like the rest of us, but she just has her own really unique beauty, and I think she's really, really cool. Really beautiful character. And then, not a princess, but a fun fairy tale, Jack and the Beanstalk. Also just beautiful. And you know, redheads. Love me some red hair. And the giant and the giantess. They're not too crazy scary in this one, which is nice. And the golden goose, is it a goose? Yeah. It's tiny in this one, which I was so surprised. It's small enough for Jack to just grab and take off with. So cool.